Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which entertains you with a lot of amazing content. Here in our today video, we are going to talk about DIY tips and hacks to save costs for your small business. Let's get started. Starting and running a small business can be challenging, especially when it comes to managing expenses. But with a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can save a significant amount of money while still growing your business. In this video, we will be discussing the top DIY tips and hacks for saving costs for your small business. Tip 1. Do your own marketing. The first tip for saving costs for your small business is to do your own marketing. Hiring a marketing agency can be expensive, and many small business owners don't have the budget for it. But with the rise of social media and online tools, it's easier than ever to do your own marketing. One way to do your own marketing is to create a website and social media accounts for your business. It's also important to create valuable content and to use SEO to increase your visibility in search engines. Utilizing tools like Canva and Hootsuite can also be effective in creating professional-looking graphics and scheduling social media posts. Tip 2. Use free or low-cost software. The second tip for saving costs for your small business is to use free or low-cost software. There are many free and low-cost software options available that can help you manage your business more efficiently. One way to use free or low-cost software is to utilize cloud-based tools like Google Drive and Dropbox for storing and sharing files. Other options include using a free CRM like HubSpot or a low-cost accounting software like QuickBooks. By utilizing these tools, you can save money on expensive software licenses and still have access to the features you need to run your business. Tip 3. Outsource to freelancers. The third tip for saving costs for your small business is to outsource to freelancers. Hiring full-time employees can be expensive, and many small businesses don't have the budget for it. But by outsourcing to freelancers, you can save money on salaries and benefits while still getting the work done. One way to outsource to freelancers is to use online platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. These platforms allow you to connect with a wide range of freelancers in different fields, from graphic designers to writers to programmers. It's also important to do your research and read reviews before hiring a freelancer to ensure you are getting the best quality work for your budget. Tip 4. Shop for deals and discounts. The fourth tip for saving costs for your small business is to shop for deals and discounts. Many small businesses don't have the budget for expensive products or services, so it's important to look for deals and discounts to save money. One way to shop for deals and discounts is to use online platforms like Groupon or Living Social. These platforms offer discounts on a wide range of products and services, from office supplies to marketing services. It's also important to shop around and compare prices to ensure you are getting the best deal. Tip 5. Be resourceful. The fifth tip for saving costs for your small business is to be resourceful. By being resourceful, you can find ways to save money on expenses and still grow your business. One way to be resourceful is to repurpose or recycle materials. For example, instead of buying new office supplies, you can recycle old cardboard boxes to use as storage or repurpose old clothing to use as cleaning rags. It's also important to look for opportunities to save money and be creative in finding solutions to problems. Tip 6. Utilize DIY hacks. The sixth and final tip for saving costs for your small business is to utilize DIY hacks. There are many ways to save money by doing things yourself, and you can use these hacks to save costs for your small business. One way to utilize DIY hacks is to create your own marketing materials. You can use free design software like Canva to create flyers, brochures, and business cards. You can also use online tutorials to learn how to make your own videos, graphics, and social media content. In conclusion, saving costs for your small business takes a little creativity and resourcefulness. By implementing the tips we discussed in this video, such as doing your own marketing, using free or low-cost software, outsourcing to freelancers, shopping for deals and discounts, being resourceful, and utilizing DIY hacks, you can save a significant amount of money while still growing your business. Remember, it's important to always be on the lookout for new ways to save costs and to be creative in finding solutions to problems. Thank you for watching our video on DIY tips and hacks to save costs for your small business. We hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on small business tips and tricks. And if you have any other tips or hacks that have helped you save costs for your small business, please share them in the comments below. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.